Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Espinal. I am currently interning at Carolina Treatment Center of Fayetteville, located here in North Carolina. The clinic specializes in substance use disorder, mainly opioid substance use. So anything from Percocet misuse to hydrocodone misuse to using heroin. The clinic uh, is a medicated assistant treatment center. So we do give medications such as methadone and Subutex to alleviate withdrawal symptoms from any of our patients who are suffering from substance use disorders. So in the past, I have worked in a foster care agency. When I used to live in New York City, I worked in a foster care agency for 2 years. So I also have experience with working with children in who have faced trauma. So I do know what it is to work with children, both children and adults who have suffered from PTSD, from anxiety, and just other, abuse of trauma and physical, both emotional abuse. What I hope to learn in this course is the different levels of trauma and how to diagnose certain traumatic events. I would also like to learn different treatments and treatment approaches to better approach a person with who's had a traumatic life experience. I think it is very important to actually learn about trauma and how it affects, different people in different aspects of their lives. So I'm excited to take this course. I do know that a lot of people do face traumatic events, especially the people that we work with as our social workers. Where I am right now, a lot of my patients are, misusing drugs and are on street drugs because they've faced traumatic events. So I think it is important to take that into consideration and look at their experiences and what they've suffered in order to dig deep down inside and help them with a treatment. So I expect to learn a lot throughout this course. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.